In this session, we're focusing on a concept that seems simple on the surface, but in reality, holds deep strategic implications. Revenue, and we will discuss what strategic leaders need to understand about revenue. Most people define revenue as the money a company earns. Technically, that's correct, but for a strategic leader, revenue is much more than a financial metric. It's a direct reflection of the value you create and your ability to capture that value in the marketplace. Let's start with the basics. Revenue is the total income a business generates from its normal operations. It's often called the top line because it appears at the top of the income statement. Everything else, costs, profit, investments, flows from this starting point. Revenue can come from many sources: product sales, subscription fees, service contracts, licensing deals, even interest income or royalties. The structure of revenue depends on the business model. But in every case, it tells us something essential. How effectively is the company delivering value that customers are willing to pay for? But here's the key insight. Not all revenue is created equal. Many leaders are tempted to chase top-line growth at all costs. More sales, more units, more deals. But volume alone doesn't guarantee strategic success. In fact, fast revenue growth without profitability or customer alignment can be dangerous. True leadership means understanding the quality of revenue, not just the quantity. So what defines high-quality revenue? First, it comes from the right customers, those who see real value in your offer and are likely to stay with you long-term. Second, it's supported by strong pricing power, the ability to charge a fair premium because your product or service is differentiated. Third, it's predictable and recurring. Subscription-based revenue, retainers, or long-term contracts all provide more visibility and stability than one-time sales. And finally, high-quality revenue is profitable. If you're earning more but spending even more to get it, then you're not moving forward, you're just running faster in place. As a strategic leader, you must look at revenue with a trained eye. Ask yourself, where is our revenue really coming from? Which products or segments drive growth? How much does it cost us to earn each dollar of revenue? What's the lifetime value of our customers? Are we over-relying on a few clients, or do we have a diversified base? Let's take a real-world example. Two companies both report $10 million in annual revenue, but one earns it through high-margin software subscriptions with 90% renewal rates. The other generates it through low-margin product sales with heavy discounts and expensive logistics. Same top line, entirely different business quality. This is why revenue alone doesn't tell the whole story. Strategic leaders go deeper. They connect revenue to business model, customer behavior, pricing strategy, and operational capability. They ask, are we building sustainable value or just chasing numbers? In summary, revenue is not just about how much you sell, it's about what, to whom, how, and at what cost. It's a mirror of your market relevance, your strategic choices, and your ability to turn vision into results. So the next time you see a revenue figure, don't just glance at it. Decode it, interrogate it, understand it, because behind every great number is a smart decision. Enjoyed what you saw? Hit that subscribe button and like this video to join our community and never miss out on new content.